Hey guys, welcome to another Just Meta AI Creator tutorial. Today we're going to be covering something a little fun, and we're going to be writing a song in Just Meta. So in order to write a song, all you have to do is from the dashboard, go to the AI panel, then down to templates, and scroll way down here to the bottom. And under the other category, we have song lyrics. So all you have to do in order to use this is describe the type of song that you would like. So I would like a song about pizza in the key of G. So pizza in the key of G. You know, you can select the key. You can tell it to make a song about X, Y, Z. You can make jingles for your brand. And I want to give it some keywords such as pizza, mushrooms, sauce. Let's go with anchovies. I don't know if that's how you spell anchovies, but you know, it's a bunch of stuff there. Cheese. Let's go for that. Then let's go for the level of creativity. I want it to be pretty imaginative, and I want it to be kind of witty, right, for tone of voice. So let's generate some results. And then over here, you're going to see your song lyrics magically appear. In a world full of choices, one holds the crown, a dish like no other, a taste that's renowned. Oh, pizza, you bring joy to my hungry soul. With every bite I take, my taste buds are whole. Oh, pizza, pizza, you're my cheesy delight, topped with mushrooms and a sauce, a flavorsome fight. Anchovies and cheese, a perfect harmony. In the key of G, you are the melody to my plea. Right, and it writes this whole giant song about pizza, right, which is kind of comical. You can name it up here. You can download it to save it for later, or you can just save it as a document, which will come up down in here in your documents under account. So let's throw this out, and let's write a song for a paper wholesale and distribution company located in Scranton, Pennsylvania, with a manager named Mike. Right. So, we're going to imagine that we own a paper wholesale and distribution company that is located in a town called Scranton, Pennsylvania, and we have a manager named Mike. So for keywords, we're going to go Mike, paper, salesman, paper, printer paper, wholesale, right? I wanted to say write a jingle for. Right. And then it's going to be imaginative, and I want it to be kind of humorous. In a Scranton town where paper shines so bright, there's a wholesale distributor that brings the light. With stacks of paper, they're the best in town, and their manager, Mike, he knows how to astound. Oh, Paper Mike, the salesman so fine. He'll make your paper dreams come true. Just give him a sign. With printer paper galore at a wholesale price, this jingle's for a company that's super nice. So, this is just a casual jingle for a random paper wholesaler in Scranton, Pennsylvania. So, like I said, you can have a lot of fun with this tool, but it can also come up with some pretty creative works that you can use in different ways, whether you're going to write a jingle, whether you're going to just make a humorous post for LinkedIn. But it's a cool little tool, and it's definitely something we want to talk about. It's one of my favorites of the Just Meta templates. Thank you, guys, and we'll join you in the next Just Meta tutorial.